A ramjet? But Michael, my exhaust system isn't designed to accommodate the kind of temperatures a ramjet will produce. Not to mention the fact that navigation will be virtually impossible.
Hey, what's up, KITT Still Rocks fans? It is JJ, and I am back with my Knight Rider Pilot Replica. And a lot of people have been requesting to see me start my car up, which obviously is KITT. And I just got into the garage. It's been a while since, because the weather was really crappy where I'm at. But now it's about 75 degrees, and I'm back to working on the car. I'm actually in the process of ceramic coating everything. Half of the car's done, so really can't pull it outside. But I'm going to show you what a cold start sounds like on my car. This is a 383 stroker, around 550 horse with a 700R custom 900 horse transmission with an 8.8 rear end. Guys, there's so much that was done to this motor. This motor was around $13,000 for everything. It was built, and I will list everything that the motor has below in the comment section for you guys to see. So let's go ahead and get to the car. Please bear with me with this camera system. I'm still working on it, so let's get you into the car here. And I know it's going to be kind of crazy how it turns, but see, look at this. Got to hit these buttons. There it comes. There it goes. All right, so I'm going to try to zoom right in a little bit. All right, so I'm going to stay outside the car, and I am going to go ahead and turn KITT on. And once again, I am sorry about these videos. I'm still learning to work all this stuff here, but let's go ahead and hit power. All right, KITT's on and everything should be ready to go. All I have to do with my vehicle, because I have a fuel pump which is in the back of the trunk, all I gotta do is prime it. 1, 2, and he should start right up. He's talking about temperature, but don't worry about that. It says service engine soon because I got it in program mode. Actually, I've been working with it. So I'm gonna let it warm up for a little bit. See, there's a bunch of settings underneath my dash here that you can flip a button here. Well, it's not a button, you hold a button in. Let me find it. There's like 5 buttons under here. And see, I can go through all these presets and all that stuff. There's a bunch of settings I'm actually working with, and I didn't get a chance to go over everything. So, it's a lot of fun, like I said. When you own a car like this, it's never done, especially when you're trying to make it like the original. You know, with the original interior, the windshield, the original TVs, the original buttons, you know, everything I've done on this car in excess of $160,000 was to make it the best that it could be. So I'm going to go out front here. So let me go back here to the motor. All right, let me turn this again. All right, I love how my camera doesn't want to listen to me. All right, so as you see, this does have a loop to it. I'm gonna try to get up on it here. Running 6.5 pounds of fuel pressure. Now, my fans are on. I have my fans on a switch, just because of the fact where I'm at, it can be an excess of 100 degrees. And I like to keep my fans on, especially with this big bad motor. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I'd be glad to go over, but there's so much to this motor that we did. I mean, completely ground up. It was custom heads, custom valve covers, everything was black. It was just one of them things that we wanted to do when I built my car. Like I said, it was a one-off. You know, when you're gonna build a replica, especially when you're gonna keep it forever, this is something that I decided that, you know, I'd spend the money for and do it the right way, and just enjoy it. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. It wasn't going to be a very long video. It was just about my motor. Once again, check out KittStillRocks.com. You can check out our online store. Don't forget, we make Knight Rider parts for Knight Designs. That is our sister site. We do own that. And if you have any questions or any other videos, I am going to redo the video for the original license plate that I have on my car. It is from the pilot in the first season, which, you know, nobody really has that in the world. But I am going to do another video once I get this car all ceramic coated, and I will show you a little bit of the hood. The hood is done. As you can see, it's just absolutely like glass. The hood's done, the front fender's done, the glass is all done. Let me turn it again, hold one second. The glass is all done, the T-tops, everything on this car was brand new. So basically, when you have a car like this, you want to take the measures and take your time. You never want to rush yourself, no matter what you're doing when it comes to that. But hey, we're almost close to 1,000 subscribers. I get there, I can go live on YouTube, and definitely going to do that. I'm hoping in the next month to have it all ceramic coated and ready to go out and do some videos and show you some different stuff. And other than that, I appreciate you guys subscribing. Check us out on Facebook, check us out on Instagram. Remember, one car can make a difference. See you next time. Thanks for watching.